Today in math class, we will learn about isosceles. Ha 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 ha. Billy, what do you think you're laughing at? There is nothing amusing about isosceles. But isosceles sounds like I saw sillies. Ha 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 ha. No, I did not say I saw sillies. I said isosceles. Ha 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 ha. Billy, stop it this instant. I am not kidding. This is not a joke. Keep laughing at this, and you will serve a week of detention. But I can't stop. Ha 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 ha. That's it, mister. You blew it. You now got 1 week of detention. No, 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 no.